Hello everyone and welcome back this conversation. And before starting this conversation, I have a punchline and you have to focus on it because doing practice is very important. So your future is depends on what you do consistent, not by what you wish for. Your future is built by what you do consistent, not by what you wish for. So you have to do a effort, you have to be a perseverance towards your goal. If you really want to speak in a better way, not like a person who speak just like a vagabond, or sometimes he's stuck, or sometimes they speak in a very well. So you have to be consistent, not only thinking your mind, because daydreaming is very bad for everyone, except doing a hard work, except be resilient towards their achievement. So you have to focus on it. So I have a five or four vocabularies, and basis of this we can discuss our conversation, and we can pick such kind of topic and just trying to move forward our conversation. So the first vocabulary is meticulous. Meticulous means those person who has a quality to do something in their life. Okay, she is meticulous towards her work. She is meticulous towards her work means be careful towards your work and be independent, be more consistent, be believe. If you do in this way, then your goal, your achievement to which you are going for, then you will get it. Okay, first one is meticulous, and second one is tenacious. Tenacious means determined, dedicated towards your work. Okay, uh, just I am just to give an example. You are dedicated towards your ambition because you always do practice and trying to make a note. Just you can see I have a pen, and you have to do practice by this. Without this pen you won't be able to write, you would be right. So tell me one thing, if you don't have pen, so what you will do? You will write it? No, only you will read, only you will say something except writing. So writing is very important, and because in this way you can, your thought can be written by your mind on the piece of paper, and after then you can refine it, then you can correct it, then you can reframe it, which you have just written on the piece of paper. Because in this way your mind can able to think in a better way. Because I do also a notes, make notes, and just trying to talk in front of you and just trying to do practice. So you have to focus, you have to be determined, you have to be tenacious. What a kind of vocabularies we have learned. One is meticulous, means those person who is very careful towards their goal, and the second one is tenacious, means more determined, be dedicated towards your work, and the third one is pragmatic. Pragmatic we have already discussed about it in our previous conversation. Pragmatic means related to a good person or a doing hard work who believe in a practical way, means only speaking is not work, only thinking, only daydreaming. I can be more confident, I can speak in better. No, daydreaming is bad for everyone without doing a practical. Yes, practical is very important. Now you can see there are goats in my background, and they are moving. So it doesn't matter for me, but the thing is I'm just speaking in front of you. So what a kind of vocabularies we have discussed: a pragmatic, meticulous, and tenacious. And the fourth one is articulate. Articulate means those person who has more experience, means more articulate, be more confident, who is speaking very well without hesitation, without fumble, no matter what a kind of environment he has. But the thing is, he is continuously make progress and doing a hard work. So we have discussed a four vocabularies, and the five one is more resilient, which I have already mentioned, that tenacious. Okay, now let's start. Let's reframe all these vocabularies in a simple or a short paragraph. Now first one is, if you really want to speak English, then you have to be resilient, you have to do hard work, because many people are just daydreaming, accept a pragmatic. approach. So you have to be dedicated, and after your tenacious effort, then you would be a meticulous person. Everyone can consider you a buddy. He's a very meticulous and he's really a tenacious who giving a good effort in their path. So you have to do it. No matter what a kind of way you are doing, man. The matter is that what a kind of doing practice and be consistent, and don't think about the people what they think about you, because I'm in front of you, and I also try to speak, because basis of this I believe that if I do in this way, then my conversation might be more crystal and clear, and I can also refine my sentences, how I can reframe, and also able to think hit my mind how I can think. So it's not a rocket science, it is very piece of cake if you do in a consistent or a tenacious practice. Why I'm saying this? Because I do believe, and you have to do believe. Without believing, nothing will happen. And except you have to be tenacious and more meticulous. So hoping that this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because in this way your like and subscribe encourage me to make a new type of conversation which I can just trying to deliver and put in front of you, because many of you are just watching and without subscribing. So please try to put it your thumbs up, and also just trying to share my videos to the other person, so in this way I can be more confident and just trying to be make a good videos and doing a great things in my life, because I am a teenager and I am not a good content creator. I am just a small, so it's my a way which I am just going through in front of my way. So hoping that this is fruitful for you. So don't forget to give it a what you are very well know about this. So now time is past 7:30 minutes, and after this I have to switch, because this is a small type of video which can able to think, which can able to make your feeling emotions in front of you. So don't worry about it, just trying to do a small doing practice. Okay,